Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Netflix on your smart TV using Chromecast, follow these step-by-step instructions to start streaming your favorite shows and movies. Step 1. Connect your Chromecast device to an available HDMI port on your smart TV and plug it into a power source. Step 2. Turn on your TV and select the correct HDMI input where your Chromecast is connected. Step 3. Download the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet and set up your Chromecast by connecting it to your Wi-Fi network. Step 4. Download the Netflix app on your mobile device from the App Store or Google Play Store if you don't already have it. Step 5. Open the Netflix app and sign in with your Netflix account credentials. Step 6. Look for the cast icon located in the upper right corner of the Netflix app interface. Step 7. Tap the cast icon and select your Chromecast device from the list of available casting devices. Step 8. Choose any movie or TV show and it will begin playing on your smart TV through Chromecast. Use your mobile device to control playback as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.